Good morning. This is my communicative task 3. My name is Lina Marcela Lozano. Looking for lodging in Popayan? I have the perfect place for you. Stop looking. It is located in a country sector near the History Center in the city of Popayan. Excellent place. It is a very quiet and safe place. There are good neighbors. There is a lot of nature and fresh air. I offer you in my house a beautiful room with a private bathroom. It is very comfortable and you will feel at home. The kitchen is small, but you find everything you need an spectacular room where you can watch television or read a book. It is a very clean and quiet place. Enjoy the local food. I offer you healthy and delicious food prepared at home. Also typical food of the region. What are you waiting for? Book today with a 15% discount and you get a surprise gift. Do not miss this great promotion. Call now 310-448-1231 and follow me on social networks. Call now. Goodbye.